Morning, one and all. I want to welcome the students of 5th batch of MTech in AI and data science, as well as 2nd batch of cybersecurity. Today is your first day at MTech. You are re-entering again in academic world for knowledge and skill upgradation. I'm sure it is the most memorable day of your life. I hope you will enjoy the next 6 semester at IIIT Kottayam. Friends, let me explain the motto behind this launching of these unique advanced courses in AI and data science as well as cybersecurity for working professionals. Why we have launched these courses? The first thing, market demand. Today, every third person in our IT industry will be from analytics stream. That is, data science and analytics is the leader of IT market. This is the reason for starting this MTech in data science. The second point, the analytics workforce is coming from different disciplines such as UG, PG, MBA, UG, PG in science, and all other disciplines. We find that as compared to this, the working professionals are far superior and suitable for data science and analytics. They have knowledge, they have experience in IT world, and that's why they are more suitable. They have good programming skills, field experience, etc. If we train them, then within a short time, they can become the backbone of analytic sector. Rather, they will lead the analytics sector of India, and we want that. For national interest, it could be a major contribution from IIIT Kottayam. Similarly, cybersecurity is the leading branch of computer discipline. In India, IIIT Kottayam, first centrally funded technical institute, CFTI, to start MTech in cybersecurity for working professionals, along with BTech cybersecurity. Nowhere in no NIT, IIIT, and IIT, BTech and MTech is available simultaneously. In the last decade, online activities have increased drastically. And during COVID-19, everybody knows that in this pandemic, the growth is exponentially high across the globe. What are the consequences? Simple. The cyber crimes have increased exponentially. And now it is a big threat for the society. It has created huge demand for cybersecurity professionals. In India, still we'll have to wait for another 1 year, but I'm sure we don't have any option. Cybersecurity field will dominate the market. That is the reason, out of national interest, we have taken this initiative. I'm sure the cybersecurity alumni of IIIT Kottayam will play a leading role in near future. Thinking about, challenging job is very good, but how we are faced these challenges? Let us see. There are 3 major challenges for conducting these courses. The first one, the faculty, highly qualified faculty. Then we should have curriculum. Its curriculum is not a simple concept. It is a very, very complex process. And pedagogy. Let us see how we have resolved or addressed these issues. Faculty. Our faculty is our biggest. They are educated from premier institute of India like IIT, IISc, Bangalore, NIT, IIIT, central universities, or many of them are postdocs from Canada, UK, USA, Germany, South Africa, etc. They have rich IT experience too. Our faculty is guiding more than 50 research scholars from industry and academia in variety of subjects like AI, data science, cybersecurity, and allied subjects. They have published more than 850 research papers. In the last 2 years, they have submitted more than 307 crores, 307 crores research and innovation projects. This shows their capability. Just visit our recruitment corner, as said by our registrar. Just visit this recruitment corner at our website for more details. You will realize that the capability and strength of our faculty members. Out of 200 applications, we are just selecting 5, and like that, we have selected the faculty. They're all commandos of IT world. Now, second important point, curriculum design and pedagogy, very, very important for you. For both branches, we have studied the curriculum and pedagogy of hundreds of renowned universities across the globe, and then design our curriculum and pedagogy especially for working professionals. Designing pedagogy and curriculum for working professionals is a very, very tough task. IIIT Kottayam is an institute of national importance, and thus, without diluting the standards, we have successfully designed and launched these courses and got an overwhelming response. Today, more than 150 students from more than 90 leading IT industries have joined these courses. It happened because we understand the difficulties. This point is very important. It happened because we understand the difficulties, constraints, and requirements of working professionals, such as. Now you find that how minutely we have studied this subject, and how how carefully we have designed this curriculum. Which factor we have considered? We have considered the business of IT professionals and working professionals, the working pattern and work pressure of IT industry, the time constraints, their struggle to keep balance between professional life and family front. This is a very crucial point. And while designing syllabus, we must consider each and every point. All the possible and practical difficulties because of joining the academics after a long gap. Must be somebody has done their BTech in a long back, 10 years old story, and then it is very difficult to adjust with again academic world. So we have taken care of it. We know that the heterogeneous group of learners, because of diverse educational backgrounds as well as experience and their different pace of learning, we know all these factors. Heterogeneous group of learners, diverse educational backgrounds, as well as diverse experience, field experience, and their different pace of learning. Somebody is coming from pharmacy to this branch, I'll have to take care of it. In addition to this, we have taken care of the global expectation and knowledge requirement of IT world. That is not all. Many more factors we have considered. The possible knowledge gaps due to exponential growth of IT industry. We'll have to fill those knowledge gaps. The age group of learner, a very senior persons are attending MTech courses, so we have considered that age group, their requirements and all. The national expectation or requirement from major thrust area. This also we have considered. Then we have considered required course flexibility. Course should be flexible so that working professional can easily adopt it. And in addition to this, we have considered prerequisite subjects and knowledge, as well as refreshing of knowledge in certain areas, without which, after 10 years gap, working professional cannot digest the material. They cannot learn. So it should be a smooth journey. That's why we have taken care of it. In addition to this, online teaching, suitable pedagogy for online teaching, and appropriate IT infrastructure we have taken care of. Before COVID-19 pandemic, we have trained our faculty for online teaching. We'll surprise you. Before first lockdown on 22nd March, on 20th March, we have started online classes. I think it is the first in India. And IT Minister has flashed this one at the Twitter. We have taken due care of each and every step and issues while designing the international standard curriculum and pedagogy. I hope you will enjoy the next 6 months at IIIT Kottayam, and I'm sure it will be a smooth sailing. On behalf of entire IIIT Kottayam community, I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.